Hi, Gene. It's Christian Rinna here with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I wanted to send you this short video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use on your own to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, your website can actually bring you leads in and of itself if done properly. And so, obviously, you understand the importance of being online. You do have a Facebook page here, but is this Facebook page bringing you any money? So, a couple things we're going to go over. I do see that you have a Zillow review, so obviously you're paying Zillow, and we all know how that works, and you know how much money goes into that pit. But pretty much, we're gonna talk about a couple things. So, I have your website pulled up here. Couple things I want to go over: content, citations, and backlinks. The first is content. So Google and all search engines love content. The more content you have, the more value you're providing to the internet and to the world. And so the more visible these search engines are going to make your website because, again, the more value you're providing. And so you want to have more content. The more content you have, the better. But content isn't just the words. So it is the words, but it's also the photos and how the photos are saved and what's behind the photos and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles and permalinks and everything and so on and so forth. And so the thing to keep in mind is, as far as actual words go, you want to have 1,500 minimum. So this is your main page, and I'm not really sure what's going on with this website because we have this white bar coming down here. So I don't know if this is if you're in the process of building this, or maybe this is under construction. But either way, your main page, and I would say maybe we have 150 words max. So you're definitely going to want to pump that number up. And then if we go to your buying page, let's see how much content you have there. So I'm not really sure what is going on with this website. So a lot of times too, search engines base how you rank on how fast your website loads. And I noticed that there was a couple things a few minutes ago. I went to the additional link. So if I go to the contact page down here, you know, it's doing some funky stuff too. So I would get your website checked out, and just remember that once you get it fixed, you're going to want to have 1,500 words minimum on all these pages. And then you want to make sure to save your photos properly. So just remember that how your photos are saved and what the file name is read by search engines. So obviously it's important to have that content or have the picture saved as content that's going to bring you value and bring us value and bring the world value, and not just picture 325, or whatever the computer comes up with. So just remember that. I'm not sure what's going on with your website. It's loading very slow. I'm not pulling up things. So like I said, I would just get that checked out. But as far as content goes, that's all we'll go over. Next is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So that would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce. All those directories are going to give you citations. So citations are going to help you rank in this map pack. As you can see, I typed in Sacramento Realtors. We got Dunnigan Realtors, we got Coldwell Banker, and we got Sacramento Association of Realtors. Let's see here if I can find a good example. Dunnigan Realtor. So Dunnigan's actually on the first page. Go Lion. These guys are on the first page. But your website's not here, so they're not going to be finding you. You want to be on the first page. And I'm not sure how far down you are, but then if we go into the map pack here, I don't believe you're here either. So there's a couple things you can do to improve that. And obviously you want to be here. Because if they can't find you here, they're going to have all these other people to have found before you. So I do have your Google My Business page pulled up here. And as you can see, so a couple things I want to point out. You do have one, so that's good, but it's not showing. It's not ranking. So it does say you're in Sacramento, so that's why I clicked on that area. And you can focus it in different areas as well, but so you do have your address, hours, and phone. I'd like to point out, so congratulations on the reviews. 3 reviews at a 5.0, but we recommend 25 minimum. So you're going to want to make sure to have, just keep pushing those reviews. We all know how important reviews are. Keep it up. Just keep pushing them. 25 minimum. And then obviously once you get there, keep going. You're going to want to beat your competitor with reviews. And then also these photos. So you're going to want to have 10 photos minimum, which it looks like you have 7. So you're going to want 10. So I would go in, add 3 more photos, and then just keep in mind how those photos are saved. So what they're saved as matters and is going to be read. So make it worthwhile. And then these photos don't count because these are just Google drive-bys. So you're going to want 10 photos of your own. And then you're going to want to make sure to save them properly. And then the last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere that your URL is at. And so anywhere that hallspal.com is at is going to give you a backlink. And so my tool that I use is Ahrefs, and this is actually showing no data for your website. So it could potentially be because you got whatever's going on with your website as far as why it's not loading and the permalinks that are mishappen. But either way, you want backlinks. Backlinks you can think of as like power, and the more power you have, the more visible your website's going to be. So just keep in mind that once you start getting backlinks, you're going to want to make sure that you get ones from sites that are relevant to the trade and sites that aren't spammy, because not all backlinks are created equal. So yeah, and this page still hasn't loaded, so I definitely get that checked out. But if you have any questions or comments or feedback, feel free to get in touch with us. I hope this video finds you well, and just take care. Thanks for watching.